How do you go approach your day when you do wake up? What's your routine?
As soon as I wake up, the first thing I run for is water because I'm thirsty, number one. Number two, I want to rehydrate all my cells, and I do a pinch because we have the RO water, the reverse osmosis water. I put a pinch of salt in there, and as soon as I get that done, I'm heading to exercise because I know if I sit down and I get caught up in doing other things, I will push it off, and I have the most energy in the morning. So exercise in the morning works for me. 7:30 in the morning, and that's what I'm doing. I'm exercising, and I lift weights, yoga, stretching, bar, Pilates, all. I do it all, and it works for me. And then after I do have breakfast, after I exercise, I'll have breakfast because I'm within that 15, 16 hour fasting window. It hits like around 9:30, 10 o'clock. I will eat breakfast. It's usually overnight oats. So it's banana oat waffles, which is just banana, oats, and milk into the waffle iron. I try to keep it very light and simple during the week. And after that, and I continue sipping water throughout the whole entire day. What about you?
Yeah, so when I first wake up in the morning, the first thing I do, I put my workout clothes on because I lay them out in the previous
Yes, he
evening.
does.
I go straight to the kitchen. I drink about 20 ounces of water. I will then do a workout. And my workouts are more cardio involved at this point in time where I'm producing a really good sweat for about 45 minutes. Sometimes it's an hour, sometimes it's 30 minutes. Stretching, yoga involved, weight training as well during the whole week. That is 6 days a week. And then after I work out, I meditate. I'm in a space where I can't really think about anything else anyway because I kind of put that good work in. I drink some more water after I take a shower, and then I get in the car, I head to work, and that's when I listen to audiobooks to really to kind of focus on learn something new. But now the one thing I don't do because I'm not hungry until about lunchtime is I no longer have to eat breakfast. And it's not intentional, just how my body has been so efficient and become so efficient by properly eating now. So yeah, so that's my morning routine. And I tell you, I think you can agree with me, but my joints are, they're more flexible, they're pain-free.
Yes.
I think I'm pretty vibrant in the way I look and kind of walk. My sleep is, I'm knocked out. Recovery is strong. Don't get sick. Immune system is strong.
Yes.
The mood is improved.
Yes.
Confidence is there.
Yes.
And just overall enhanced social connections.
Yeah. I have a friend. She incorporated some of these lifestyle habits. She eats very clean. She tries to get her stretches in. She drinks a lot of water, and her skin is glowing.
You can see it.
You can see it in her eyes, in her
Yes.
face. She looks great.
These work. These morning habits will work. They're going to set your morning routine. It's going to set the tone for the entire day's health and the energy levels.
Yes. So simple natural habits work better than the complicated supplements or extreme workouts.
They really do. And when you start doing this and practice this and becomes your age becomes an advantage where you have all of this wisdom and it's going to be aligned with your body's natural healing abilities.
Yeah. Who doesn't want to feel great?
Got to feel great.
So tomorrow morning, we dare you to start the first habit of drinking 16 to 20 ounces of water, with a little pinch of sea salt before anything else.
Yeah, just try it. Do it. Do some stretching, movement. Just start to deliberately incorporate these morning routines into your daily life.
And then tell us how you feel. Subscribe and join our community. Until next time, be well.
All right. Take care.